doing a little turkey hunting. Nothing's gobbling this morning, so just made my way up my property road, up to something I didn't take a picture of or a video of when I made it in February. Made like a hinge cut area up here where I saw some bedding sign for the doe, and this is what it kind of looked like. This is like the main focus of it. We're facing southwest, and it's a little bit high, like with overhead cover. I know there's a lot of mixed thoughts on that, but I did punch a nice hole in the sky. Get some sunlight down here. I'll show you how tall this overhead canopy thing is. And I do have a back tag. I'm not wearing it for this video, for this purpose, for this moment. But all my DEC buddies, I am doing the right thing. I just don't want my information on the internet forever. Alright, let's see. I'll show you how tall this is. You get that desired effect of overhead cover, which is you hear mixed things about, but it was really just open in here, and the deer were bedding anyway on down stuff that was here, so I just try to complement what I was seeing. And when I come in here, the deer are using it. And tons of poop all around. Some good scat. Some good trail walking through here now. And a lot of the tips are nipped off. So I'm getting that movement, and I just made this in February, and now we're in May. And come around, show you from a different angle. That's where we just came from. All these trees look like they're staying alive. Basically beaches, which I don't even think the deer enjoy that much. But if you come over to non-beach, look at those tips. Look at that. All browsed on. All eaten to shreds. You can see they're budding, but the tips are all gone. So all this that I cut in February has become thick and browsed on all around the area, which is what I was looking for. I wanted to hold some deer a little bit below my tree stand. So I'm hoping that we'll get some doe hanging out in here and get the buck above where I'll be in between. And they'll come looking down at the doe hanging out here. And I'll be in between that situation and connect. So this is my little structure I made. Increase my habitat. can see, I walk all the way through it, and I'm getting a lot of nice deer scat all underneath it. And you can see, not all the hinge cuts are perfect, but they don't have to be. The idea is to get that treetops down to the deer level, give them something to feed on, give them something to feel security and hang out in. And that's kind of what I did all in here. This was just open park-like effect that I just took a nice, I don't know, 30 yards across by 30 yards across and just took everything down. Also gives me some cover from the travel road, so I could sneak past them a little bit better. And that's my story.